Hello and welcome back, Grailman's Garage. We're outside again, another beautiful blue sky day. We have another Alldocube iPlay 70 Mini Pro video. Does it work with all the flying drone apps? We've just done the Hubson, one of the Fimis, the Adams, and the Hollystone. Now we're going to do the Fimi X8 Mini version 2. This one canceled out all the time on my iPlay 50 Mini Pro. It would go up 2 minutes in and it would loop out and disconnect, reconnect, disconnect. So I have my trusty phone here just in case that happens, and I can plug this in. I know it works. Okay, but we're going to try the version 2. Okay, now this is the one that's been a few crashes, and I haven't had this one out. Notice the decal. What does that mean? Comment below if you know. But I've had this in a few crashes in and around here, hit trees and crashed on broken propellers, and we've got an arm broken at some point, and we had to fix the gimbal and all this kind of stuff. But yeah, it is what it is, because it's solid now. One of these doesn't go in any. Yeah, that one there, solid as a rock. Anyway, okay, bit of crazy glue. Okay, super glue. Anyway, Alldocube iPlay 70 Mini Pro. Okay, 8.4-inch screen, Android 15. A little different than the other ones. I'm getting used to it. Okay, it's got a pretty decent screen recorder inside it. Okay, it's got 450 nits, which is nice and bright for what I want it for. Okay, it's nowhere near as bright as what this is capable of, but 450 is a little bit above average for an average phone or tablet, so it's nice. Okay, 16 gig of RAM in total, 8 plus 8, and 256 gigs of onboard storage. Okay, I'm not gonna, it's got a double SIM. I'm never gonna put a SIM card in. I'm never gonna expand the memory. I just bought it. It's on sale now, apparently, AliExpress. I may put a link in the description below. I am not getting anything. I don't get commission from the links. I don't belong to the affiliate programs for anything. They're a pain in the butt because the links always break all the time. It's not worth my time, really. Okay, I guess it is if I did it, but I don't really want to spend the time to do it. So I don't have any affiliate links. Any links I get are just generic, clean links straight to the store, product, whatever it is. Anyway, it's on sale. I saw it for 198 Canadian. 198 Canadian. I got it. It was 204, 205. Okay, 198 Canadian. And if you look around, you can find all the coupons for 20 bucks, 30 bucks, whatever. So not bad. Okay, let's get on the pad. Let's go. So we have it on the pad. It's the Fimi X8 Mini version 2. X8 Mini version 2. Okay, not 1, 2. My version 1 had a terrific crash and that was it. So anyway, the version 2 here, my first one, the white one. I did get the orange one, which is really, really good. They're exactly the same. They're very good. But the orange one is away in a case, and this is the version 2. I haven't had it up for like 6 months, 7 months. Anyway, let's go. This is a screen on it now. It looks really good. We've got 14 satellites, enough to take off. We just want to check just our settings here. Video. Okay. It's the older version. It doesn't have, it's the older version of Follow Me. If you go into these things here, the Smart Track it's called. Not really as intuitive as the Follow 3 that's in the Fimi Mini 3 and Mini 3 SE. Okay. But anyway, it's got lots of options. It's packed. It's got the same waypoint mission. It's a wonderful craft. It really, really is. The camera on it is a 1/2.4 stacked, I believe. Okay, so it's a really good camera as well. Okay, let's just have a look in here, and we want to go height 50 meters, no limit. Just want to make sure all this stuff is here. Camera, high, yeah, 2.7 at 30K, great. 264, that's important. A lot of Windows. Natively, Windows machines, PCs won't play H.265 correctly. You can play them in a video editor, but not natively. Anyway, so that's about it. Let's just go in. We want to get up, have a look, see what this looks like, see what the color transition is like between the color of what I see on the screen and the color that shows on the video, and you'll see it side by side. Let's get this up, boom, and slide over, boom. Up it goes. Oh, it's going up there. There we go. And it's a Fimi. It's a Fimi. And I think this is the one that does the Drunken Sailor on the return to home. If you do a yaw, then it goes, vroom, vroom. It comes home, but it's a funny thing. A lot of funny things here. Okay, turn it around here. Here we go. And there we go. Come this way a bit. Come nice and slow. There we go. Point it down a bit. Okay. Okay, it's a little pink. I'll say it's a little pink. It's like the atom, a little pink. Okay, let's start that video. There we go. Nice big numbers, and I love the big numbers on top. The telemetry on top. Let's just go. Oh, we'll fly around here. The pups are inside. Chewy hurt her back leg. Don't know why. I think she jumped off the deck and kind of twisted it, or Penny landed on one or the other. But she's had a sore leg the last couple of days. So let's go this way. There we go. And I like that. Can you see that yellow H dancing around in the bottom right corner? Okay, let's just go forward and up. Here we go. And forward. It's a lot farther off than what it looks like. It's at least 10 feet, 12 feet off. Up a little bit more. There we go. There we go. And we'll go up and 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 up. It's a good little drone. I don't think you can buy them anymore. You might be able to. I wouldn't pay a lot of money for these, but yeah. And again, all my drones are for sale. And the good thing about them is if you find a price on AliExpress or wherever, in US dollars, convert that to Canadian dollars, and that's what I'll ship it out to you for. That's pretty cool, okay? For most of them, okay? So you're saving 40%. And all my drones are so looked after, and I tell you if they've had a crash, 99.9% of them have. I've had 3 that have had crashes, and I let everybody know. Oh, 47, look at that, look at that. It's just a beautiful, beautiful picture. It really is. It really is. What if we come this way? Really, and this Alldocube is really good. I want to stay here for a couple of minutes. Okay. Yeah, I can see the timer up there, 1 minute 52 minutes, okay? I can see that because it's got a black outline. I can see how long I've been filming. It's got a black outline, but the telemetry up on top, I mean, come on. I can superimpose that on a video. It looks really good, but I can see it instantly. I can see all my telemetry, everything. It's really, really good. I wish they all did that, or at least have it at the bottom. My God, what we're potentially thinking of the Atom 2, having it up in the sky, that's ridiculous. Or as HP would say, redonkulous. One of the guys there. Anyway, oh, there's more trucks. The amount of trucks that come through here, oh my goodness. Every minute there's a truck coming. Every minute. And it goes around the corner. And guess where he's going? We'll show you. He's going to make, speed it up a little bit, get past the house. He's going to make a right turn, or left turn, just about now. Okay. He's going to turn into there. Okay. There's lots of interference by this gravel pit. Don't know why. Okay. There he goes. Boom. Okay, let's come back here. Let's come back and face me. Return to home. As I said, it's got so much interference. It's ridiculous up there. So much interference. When it comes back to 2 solid whites, I will come on back. And we should be pretty good now. Good video. Okay, great. Boom. And we'll come back. Yeah, I took over. And we should be getting the double bars pretty soon. There we go. And we can go down the road here. And look it over here. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. We've been up 4.5 minutes now. Okay. Oh, don't go over anybody's house. There we go. We'll go over this pond here. Beautiful pond. I mean, he must have dye in that pond. Okay. We're up at 50 meters. I mean, there must be some dye in that pond. There's no way it's that blue. Anybody want to comment on that? Dollars to donuts, there's dye in that pond. Or it's full of algae and it doesn't go anywhere. It's a stagnant pond. That's the other thing. But then if it's a stagnant pond, the algae would be everywhere, I guess. But anyway, nice pond. I don't think they do anything with it, but it looks nice. It looks nice. It's a nice looking pond. Nice looking piece of property. And there's another house in there somewhere. And yeah, let's go around here. We're up to 5 minutes on the video. So yeah, we got some, well, look at that, eh? Look at that. Return to home again. I tell you, that gravel pit has some interference somewhere. Okay, cancel that. But we'll come home anyway. We'll aim right for us. Here we go. And bring it down. 6 minutes in. It's really good. There it is. Okay. And yeah, the version 2 doesn't have the greatest when it comes to range, but it's not disconnecting. I mean, not the way it would literally disconnect, USB disconnect over and over and over after like 2 minutes. Come on down, come on. But and this screen here is phenomenal. It's really good. And it's nice and bright. And I think I have it up to the, well, not quite the max, but anyway. Bring it in. Boom, there we go. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna land it on the table again. Yeah, let's see if we can do that. Here we go. Okay. Come on over here. Not the most graceful beast in the shed, and automatically stops the video, which is good. Let's get this all shut down and we will go from there. And there we have it, another successful flight with the Alldocube iPlay 70 Mini Pro, 8.5-inch tablet, okay, 16 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of onboard storage, and I don't know what to say, it worked again with the Fimi Mini Navi app, okay, so, and with the version 2 of the X8 Mini, and the iPlay, the Alldocube iPlay 50 Mini Pro would not do that. As I said, keep on saying, after a couple of minutes, it would just loop in, loop in, loop in. And I've got a couple of videos on that as well, but so far, the iPlay 70 is working out pretty good. And it's all connected with this proprietary cabling and extensions that I'll show you again. And yeah, I tend to like it, not a problem. Anyway, what's next? Got a couple more to go, but till then, hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, buy me a coffee. I'm getting tired doing all this stuff. But anyway, what's next? Another one of these. I think I've got 2 more to do. We're going to do the DJI Fly app next. I think that's the next one up. It's just recharging the battery. It takes a long time, but okay, that's it. Alldocube iPlay 70 Mini Pro, $198 on sale, AliExpress. That's not bad for what this is. Okay. See you later.